GPT-5.
Gemini is delivering our most intelligent AI experience.
We're going to try something that, as far as we know, no tech company has done before.
Google has been at the forefront of
Gemini
many of
was
those
better
things.
than any other model out
GPT-4
there.
is incredibly
More
advanced.
than any other
So
large-scale
O1 is
foundation.
the smartest model in the
Gemini
world
is
now.
our largest and most
We're going
capable.
to announce two models
Gemini
today.
2.0 enables new
To
kinds
deliver frontier intelligence.
We are living in a golden age of AI design tools, where from generating research questions to summaries to generating wireframes to even generating a fully functioning website, it all can be done using AI. So AI is changing our workflows. While it speeds things up, but it still can't think like a human being, at least not yet. So here are the 5 UI UX design skills AI can't replace and why you need to master them. First is the emotional and cultural context. Design is not just about making it functional, but it is also emotional. But AI cannot understand the emotional cues, sarcasm, subtle humor, or any cultural specific symbols. For example, what works in an Italian banking app might not make sense for the Indian users. AI might copy patterns, but it's just humans that understand the why behind the design decisions. As a designer, your job is to understand the user, the cultural context, and make the design decisions on the basis of that, not just copy patterns. This is something AI completely misses. Second is creative problem solving. AI is good at pattern recognition and repeating those patterns, but creating new structure, which is what we do as a UI UX designer. What if we could do it different way? The question that we ask ourselves. What if we did it this way? What if we tried a new way? This is uniquely human, at least yet. So the insight here is designers look beyond UI to rethink the entire journey that might help their users and the business. Airbnb wasn't just a prettier booking site. It redefined how people traveled and stayed at the homes of others. That's not something AI could have invented because it requires creative problem solving. So understanding the problem and the constraint and coming up with a new idea on the basis of that, it is still 100% you. Thirdly, the real user research. AI can help you with the questionnaire. It can also help you with discussion guide. It can summarize it, but it can't talk to the real humans the way a human being would, and it can't observe those subtle cues of hesitation where people are getting uncomfortable, where they're trying to not share the 100% things and asking follow-up questions on the basis of that. This is something that AI can't do because user research is live, it is unpredictable, and it is emotional. A user might say one thing but mean something else, and it takes a human to catch those subtle cues. So the pro tip over here is asking the right questions, interviewing the people, making them feel comfortable while they're talking to you, and making sense of all the insights that you have collected. This is where you can stand out. Number 4, collaboration and communication. UX design does not happen alone or in a silo. It happens by communicating with the product managers, the developers, the business stakeholders, the marketing stakeholders, and bringing them on the same page, presenting your design decisions to them, taking their feedback, defending your design decisions, responding to the critique, getting the feedback, improving things. This is something AI can't do. So it takes a human being to align those stakeholders, make them work together so that the final UI design has come out of a collaborative process and it aligns all the stakeholders. The pro tip over here is great designers are not pixel pushers. They don't just make UI designs. They're great communicators. They need to align most people because most of the times, if you remember, you're not spending in designing, you're spending in meetings, you're taking the feedback, you are presenting your designs, you are collaborating with developers to make their design come to life. And this is something AI is missing. Number 5, AI does not understand right against wrong. If you ask it to increase click, it will suggest you multiple different things which might be manipulative to the users and might not be 100% ethical. It might suggest you some dark patterns because it is optimizing for clicks, it is optimizing for conversion, not thinking about the users. If you implement these things, which might be beneficial in the short run, but loses the user's trust in a long run. As a designer, you are the ethical filter between what works and what's responsible. So the insight over here is designers shape behavior. AI can't make that moral decision. It's only you. So don't get me wrong. AI is here to stay and it will be here to generate all those layouts, to actually help us with the first draft of questionnaires and all those kind of things. But all of this just makes us much faster as a designer. But if you focus on these 5 skills, this will complement the things that AI can help you with. So which one skill do you think AI can not replace in UI UX design? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, keep designing, and make AI a part of your design workflows. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with a designer friend, and subscribe to the channel for more UI UX design and AI related insights.